Hello, my name is Juan Torres, and I am a manufacturing compliance engineer at Sanofi. 7 years ago, I moved to the US from Colombia to pursue my master's degree. My education led me to my current role at Sanofi, where I support operations in biosurgery. My day-to-day requires critical thinking, strong people skills, and in-depth understanding of any deviations in our processes. It's incredibly motivating to see our products help patients around the world. I'm grateful for the role I play here because many first-generation Americans don't have the same opportunities to secure careers in these professional settings. My Latino heritage, including my accent, is a source of pride for me, as it reflects my identity and journey. I feel a strong sense of connection when I hear different accents in the workplace, because they represent our team's collective experience and perspectives. Outside of work, I love to travel and stay active. I often travel back to Colombia for special occasions like weddings and important birthdays. One of my favorite celebrations in Colombia is Dia de las Velitas, or Little Candles Day. This holiday marks the beginning of our Christmas celebrations and brings together my family and the community. Working in manufacturing at Sanofi has been a transformative experience. My dedication to my work and my heritage is something that I hold close. Thank you for celebrating with me and valuing the rich diversity that each of us brings.